Good morning and welcome to Term 4, Week 5. Here we go. U.S. History 2, you are continuing in reading Chapter 25 and completing the questions for Sections 3 and 4. You guys make sure you're all caught up. We have read through Chapter 24, done some accompanying activities and exercises, and last week you started Chapter 25, Sections 1 and 2. You also watched a John Green video, which I'm actually going to also have you do this week. It's part 2 of World War II. So watch that video, take the 10 bullet pointed notes, send those to me, and then finish reading sections. Sorry, I'm probably confusing you. I'm confusing myself. Read Chapter 25, Sections 3 and 4, and answer the questions. And that's all for this week. So take care, make sure you check in, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.